Hey you guys, it's Trina, aka the Clumsy Cook. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan Twix bars. If you're a date lover, this recipe is perfect for you, as the caramel is made entirely of dates. To make the base of this recipe, you're going to start by using some almond flour, and if you don't have any almond flour on hand, but you do have like almonds, you can just pretty much just blend them up until it reaches that gritty kind of flour consistency. After you add the almond flour, you're going to go ahead and add some coconut oil, some maple syrup, and then a little bit of vanilla extract. Go ahead and stir that up real well and then spread it out in a pan and then pop it into the freezer for about an hour or so to set. You can use a springform pan or just a regular pan like I'm using. I just prefer to just kind of cut it out and shimmy it out, but you can also use some baking sheets and just kind of put it underneath your mixture before you add your mixture, and then that way you can just lift it up once it's ready. To make the caramel mixture, you're going to go ahead and use a handful of dates. You're going to blend this up with some almond milk, some water, and a pinch of salt. You're going to blend this for about 2 minutes until it's smooth and well combined. You're going to pour this over your base and then freeze it again, but for some reason, dates don't freeze too well, so you're gonna have to leave it in there for about 6 hours. You can leave it for less time, but it won't be as hard. It'll be a little bit more difficult to work with. Once the caramel is frozen, you're going to take it out and you're going to use a hot knife to cut it into bars. Last but not least, you're going to add the chocolate coating on top, and you're going to do this by melting some coconut oil. You can just pop it into the microwave, which is usually what I do, and then you're going to add some cocoa powder and stir it very well. You can also add some maple syrup for sweetness. I used about a tablespoon or so, but the caramel is already super sweet, so I would just recommend using about 1 or 2 tablespoons. You're gonna have to act pretty fast at this point because the caramel is going to melt. So you're gonna wanna just act fast and pretty much just coat your caramel bars with the chocolate, and then you're gonna pop it back into the freezer for about 3 more hours or so. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.